I have tried these two making money platform, and in this video I will share with you my church mind on which one is good between Owodaily and Freebyz. First, these platforms are not scam. Owodaily is not a scam, while Freebyz is neither a scam also. But how do you make money on these two platforms? In a simple form, these websites are marketplace where buyers meet sellers. So three things are involved. One, the marketplace, the seller, and the buyer. Who are the buyer and what do they buy? The buyers are paid for the job done. As a buyer, you perform some simple tasks while you get paid. And who are the sellers? The sellers are the website owner, YouTubers, Facebook account owners, Twitter handle owners that want you to like their post, retweet their tweet, share and follow their social media platform, and they are ready to pay you for that job done. So, Owodaily and Freezy is a platform that bridge the gap between the seller and the buyer. They link the buyer and the seller for money making purpose. Now, how do you join? And how to withdraw, and what are the different conditions on these two platforms that make one to be better than the other? Also, if you follow me till the end of this video, I will share with you secret ways to make more than what others are making from Owodaily and Freebyz. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more best content just like this. To make money through Owodaily, you need to first register and become a member and make a one-time subscription that will enable you to make money as long as you wish on the platform. The one-time fee is now just 5,000 naira. While Freebyz also give you the avenue to level up your making money online with a one-time registration fee of just 1,050 naira. But don't judge the book by the cover yet. Freezy allow you to make money both in USD and Nigerian naira. Also, you can withdraw daily and the payout will be processed within days. See the tax on Owodaily and the tax on Freezy. As you can see, you can make more money quickly on Freezy than Owodaily because there are little tax on Owodaily to perform. But on Freezy, you get lot of jobs to make you quick money daily. On Owodaily, you are required to have a minimum of 5,000 naira and the withdrawal fee is just 3% and you get your withdrawal amount within days. But on Freezy, your withdrawal limit is 2,500 naira. Now, do you have to perform the tax to make money? This depends on you, as I sometimes perform their tax for catching fun. But you can make way lot of money on these two platforms by referring program, a platform that allow you to earn much more money than performing daily tasks on this platform. Yes, you can make up to 500 naira on every person you refer to Freebyz and 2,500 naira on every person that you register on Owodaily. And that's why you don't have to judge the book by its cover yet. Which do you now think is okay by you? Let me know right away in the comment section. To promote Owodaily and Freebyz to your social media friends, just go to the top page of Freebyz and you see your referral link that you can copy and share on social media. Also on Owodaily, go to their menu and you see your referral link to earn you lot of money. As you can see their top referral checklist, the first on the list has referred over 3,500 people, the second has referred over 1,200, and this goes on and on. Take the advantage of your social media platform. Share to Facebook, WhatsApp, groups, and even on your status. Some people make much money promoting on WhatsApp TVs, and this is a very quick way to make up to what Emmanuel make on his channel and what also make through his social media platform. This was their secret, as they do not perform any tax to earn money. but they earn lot of money on this platform through the referral program. If I were you, I will register both the Owodaily and Freebyz as to be able to be financially okay by earning daily, performing simple remote jobs at home on your phone. See the video description and the comment section below for the link to Owodaily and Freebyz platform. Don't forget to subscribe for more money making tips on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next top video.